Oh my gosh. I did not expect that. There we go. That's a good one. That's a real good one. Oh my gosh. That's a monster. All right, y'all. Well, I'm off of work today, so I decided I'm gonna go try to catch some smallmouth bass, and then I may try to go catch some other kinds of fish too. So we're gonna start off with smallmouth. I'm at a nice looking creek. And we're gonna work this creek this time. Right now I've got 2 frogs tied on, but that's probably gonna change pretty soon after I work this little hole and we go upstream. I'll probably tie on, you know, some finesse baits and try to catch something like that. I got one, I just didn't set the hook very good. There we go. On this new rod that I fixed up, a Jordan Lee. Nice. Nice smallmouth. Not a big one, but on this Jordan Lee that I fixed up myself. I fixed the eyelets in this rod. Ooh, he's not coming off. Look at that. He got double hooked. I knew there was a smallmouth up in here. All right, that's the first one. Frog eating smallmouth, love it. That's probably just about a pounder. But yeah, that's a good fish. Not bad. And now we're gonna let him go. That's a pretty one. Off. All right, gonna try another frog. I see some action on the water over here, and we're gonna find out. Not going too well, guys. I've been here about an hour and I've caught 1 fish. I can't say it was even like a huge fish. It was just a nice colored smallmouth, but we're gonna try to keep on doing this thing. I'm gonna keep on going upstream. I gotta change the battery real quick, and yeah. The next hole we're gonna hit is right up there. I'm not even gonna fish any of this. I never catch anything here. I have in the past, but the water's so low. Honestly, don't think anything is going to be in here, so just got buzzed by a bee. Whatever. There's a snake right there. Let's check this thing out. Small ass snake. Oh, baby king snake. That is cool. That's a good one. That's a real good one. Maybe not a real good one, but that's a couple pounder at least. That was awesome. On the frog, on this black frog instead of the other one. He's fighting good. All right, come over here to the shallow water, Bubba. That's a good one. That's maybe a 16, 17 incher. Probably a 16 incher. All right, y'all. That's an awesome one. All right, y'all. It's a good smallmouth. I know you can't see it very well because of the sun. Not quite as pretty as the last one, but that's like a 16 incher maybe. We're gonna get an underwater release. We're gonna do all sorts of cool stuff with this one. It's a good one. And it was my second cast in this little hole. I knew there was gonna be some smallmouth in here. All right, y'all. So I'm going to show you the differences in these frogs. I'm fishing two different kinds of frogs. I'm fishing a scum frog and like a speed frog, like a soft plastic frog. So I want to go over some of the differences and why I fish some of these. So this is what I started off with on the bait caster. Cast a long way, weighted. I think it's a KVD frog, and it's a scum frog. It doesn't go fast. It sort of plops through the water. You know, goes side to side, plops through the water. Kind of slow action, and that's good. And it's weedless too. It's got two hooks, weedless. You can go through lily pads, thick brush. This other one, this is what I like to. It's almost like a finesse frog in my opinion. People use it on the back of a buzz bait, like on a trailer for this, but it's a KVD gurgle. Gurgle toad, I think it is. And I like fishing these on a spinning reel, 8 or 10 pound test, single hook, and you gotta set the hook pretty good to get that hook exposure. But this is probably my go-to for the creek fishing frog. I like that one a lot. That one has its place though. This one right here, it has its place. Thick cover, heavy vegetation, thick line where you can horse them through. Barely ever get snagged. But it's a slower presentation, and sometimes they like that fast presentation like this. So, hope that helps. Oh my gosh, that was a crazy hit. I just saw, it looked like a shark coming up to get that bait. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, that's a monster. Oh, that's a beast. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, that's a 2.5. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, that bite was ferocious. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to get him over in a shallow water so I can land it. for a creek. That's a beast. Yeah, that's a 17 plus. All right, go back over to our trusty filming rock. All right, it looks like I made the right decision. Came over here and caught this mondo. That's like a 3 1/4 probably. That's a good fish. Wow, y'all. That was freaking sweet. That's a good old fish. You know, we're frog fishing over here, so. Wow, look at the colors on that one. Underwater release. What I do? That did accomplish my 3 smallmouth goal in the top water, but I'm not going to quit here. We're going to try to get after another one or two. This hole right here is awesome. It's deep. It just seems to have what they want. There's a lot of bait fish roaming around. All the stuff downstream, not so good. It's all shallow. But you find you a couple big deep holes and you can freaking do some damage. I mean, I feel like there could be another couple smallmouth hiding in here for sure. We're just gonna move kind of slow and see what we can find. Another one right in that same spot. Is he out of the, he's out of the brush now. Sweet. And that's a pretty good one too. Oh my gosh. Smallmouth City. Top water. Oh, he's still green. He's almost as good as the last. He's barely hooked too. Yeah. Wow, that's like a 16, 17 incher too. This turned out to be a really good day for smallmouth. Wow. All right. Well, another one. That's number 4 for the day. Really good fish, so let him go. Wow. Frog fishing for smallmouth. I knew I'd find him somewhere. I just need to keep on looking. They just gravitate towards these deeper holes whenever the summertime hits so that they can have some oxygen. That's really all it comes down to, is just oxygen. They're not getting it from the shallower places. They just need to have enough oxygen to freaking. Okay, let's see if we. What if there's another one over there? I doubt it. 3 smallmouth out of the same spot would be insane. So all I'm doing is making a couple casts and then sliding up a few feet. Oh gosh. Well, there was another one there. He hit it. And it seems like the reason the fish were over here is because there's a little rock ledge. And it seems like they're just hanging out on the side of that rock ledge and ambushing stuff when it comes by. It's shallow up here. maybe there's a deeper hole up here where it gets to this next shoal. All right, we're going back down. I was hoping I could get up that bridge, but can't get up that bridge, so I'm just gonna walk back down. Hopefully I can make it pretty quick because I still want to hit one more spot after I leave here, and maybe we can catch another one. It's been good so far. I mean, I caught 4 nice ones, and I caught 2 that were extremely nice. I got another one out of the same hole too. A nice one. I was coming back through here and I was throwing in these same holes. And this one, now I was just walking back on this hole that I already fished, and I was casting at that bank over there, and he comes out number 4 for the hole, and he came out and smacked it. That's a good smallmouth. That's like a 14, 15 incher, probably a 15 incher, maybe even more than that. I'm almost back to the truck. I just got to make it to that bridge right there. And I doubt there's anything in this hole that I already walked up, but we're going to find out. There's some deeper areas. Oh my gosh, I did not expect that. Oh my gosh, I was completely off guard for that. That's a good one. Oh my gosh. Wow. That might be the best of the day, but it's a little skinny. Wow, completely off guard for that one. Wow, I'm glad I turned the camera on, because like I just thought I'd fish that little drop off right there, and wow, another good one. I don't have anywhere to set my camera up, but we're gonna get an underwater release. Another quality creek smallmouth. All right, y'all, this is officially the last spot. Whoa, I hope y'all saw that. Whoa. Yeah, another smallmouth. Wow, bottom lip. Another good smallmouth. What is that, 7 for today? It's another good one. Wow, that was like instantly. Whoa.